Yeah, look at that mirror, eh? We'll get in the car here. This is a Hyundai 2018. I'm going to try to see what, I'm just going to barely bump that mirror, my electric mirror. Okay, it still works. Cool. I know it said it would, but that seemed impossible. Just this. You see the difference? I can't see the tail light in that mirror there. I can see it there. See it? Watch. Huge difference, and I've got this thing in almost on top of it. I can go way out. I think it's going to work. I know it's going to make a big difference. I don't know how the wind's going to treat it, but gotta do something. I love the idea that I'm not going to have to worry about hitting this mirror and ruining it. Those mirrors are expensive. It seems pretty solid. And you can move it, but they're very lightweight, very lightweight. It doesn't seem to be hurting it at all. I wanted to try it out before I got ready to go somewhere and found out they wouldn't fit. I ordered these mirrors from a pair of mirrors for my Hyundai, and I'm just now putting them on to see what it's going to be like. And it doesn't look like they're going to be bad at all. They're very light, look like they're pretty sturdy. I'll know after I drive it a while. And these pinch it down on the mirror, on the old mirror, and this pinches it down on this shaft, which there's all kinds of adjustments you can make. I don't see how I can go wrong. I've already noticed that I can see my tail light right here. So that means that I'm able to see back here. Yeah, this is a Hyundai Santa Fe. What is it? Limited, ultimate all-wheel drive. I pulled my trailer with this home. Normally we get about 26 to 28 miles a gallon with this thing, with the air conditioner running. And coming back I got about 14, so it's going to cut it in about half. But even 14, having a one-bedroom apartment behind me, I can live with that. My pickup truck with a camper on it only got about 16, and I didn't have a bathroom or anything, so I think it's going to be okay. We'll find out this winter when we go down south and get out of the snow. Right now I'm just kind of doing things on a rainy day, trying to get my ducks in a row, and this is one of the chores I had to do. I got this. They cost just about $100, $99, and then there's a little bit of shipping in there, or tax or something. I think it was tax. So that's what I got. The mirror they show here isn't the mirror that I ordered. I ordered the one, the bigger one, as you can see. I wanted as much view as I could get. Coming home without that mirror, I could it was kind of spooky. I couldn't see behind the trailer, basically. I couldn't see a car if it was nosing around my trailer back there, so I think this will be better. They show a little diagram on the back about the ones that show here. You know, how much safer it's going to be. Okay, just for fun, I decided I'd try to put these on the mirror on my 2010 RAV4, Toyota RAV4. And I realized that there's not enough clearance up there, up here on the top. There's plenty of clearance on the bottom. So you're going to have to, if you get one of these for this car, you're going to have to do it on the bottom. And then that brings up another point. This rod will only go in to the door. Up on the top, it's got a little bit further. So if you really want to put these on a RAV4 and bring them in closer, you might have to cut this off. I don't see why it wouldn't work, but I mean, you'll be able to see. I'm glad I'm using the Hyundai. It's easier. Let's put it that way. It's not that it's impossible. I mean, you'll definitely be able to see back there. I'm not going to cut these off because I might want to use that out there. But if I ever wanted to use them specifically for this car, I would probably shorten these. Maybe, you know, just to bring that in a little bit. It sticks out pretty far now. But you'll definitely be able to see. Let's get in the car and see here. Probably see better with this one. Let's see here. Turn on my ignition. Put my window down. Turn on my tail light. See, you can. I can't hardly see that tail light back there. When I turn it back like this, oh yeah, we got lots of view. Dead spot went away. So it can be used. Let me make sure my mirror will work. See, the mirror still works. But you can't clamp it on the top. Well, you might be able to if you tilt it all the way down, but I'd be afraid to do that because knowing me, I'd accidentally push on it and burn up the motor in the. I like to make sure it still works. And it does clear the bottom, but it just won't clear the top. So it can be used on a RAV4. We can try to clamp them on my truck. I bet it won't even. I don't even think I got a plate to clamp it, but I'll go look. Okay, this is my truck. I've extended these mirrors anyways. The one I was pulling the trailer, but there's no lip here at all to grab, so these won't work on this thing. I didn't think so, but I really never paid much attention. I mean, even though it's something I look at all the time, I don't really look at how it's made once I've had it a while. So a 99 Ford pickup truck, no way. Well, they don't quite fit in the box. I'm going to leave them in the box at the end sticking out here. I'm not going to take them apart again. And I'll keep them in my in the camper. So that the only time they'll ever get messed with is when I'm getting ready to go somewhere. I was going to store them in the trunk, but that's not a good idea. Something will get smashed.